Howdy builders! This is my brand new Ryobi power scrubber with the sprayer option. This is the ready to use soap that's great, but I'm not going to be using it today. You can see this little container where it would go, and there's the hose inlet and a completely waterproof battery cover. Okay, this is the project. It's super dirty, the grout is black, and the tile itself is filthy compared to the rest of the area. Yuck, just look at that. It's not a big area, but it's enough for today's demonstration. And to clean up here, I'll be using a simple Dawn dish soap detergent with vinegar solution and some baking soda. First, we'll start by vacuuming the area, making sure everything's picked up as much as possible around the work area before putting down any liquid. Then go ahead and just start pouring on the solution onto the grout joint. Get it nice and filled with that vinegar and soap solution. That's what's going to be doing the heavy lifting here, removing all the black stains. And you can spread it on the tile itself too. Then we add a little baking soda on top of the vinegar, causing a little reaction that will start to make tiny bubbles. This is the same reaction as that volcano you made back in grade school science class. Remember that? And then to clean it, this is the medium strength bristle head that we're going to use, which is perfect for this project. And yeah, I'm a Ryobi guy through and through. Get the scrubber going and just go ahead and apply a good amount of pressure down onto the joints and work that solution into the grout and into the entire top of the tile as well. It'll start to immediately lift out all of that gunk and grime. Keep moving the power scrubber all around. You can stop on heavily dirty areas if needed. The whole idea is to scrub off all the filth and really work that vinegar, soap, and baking powder solution into the entire work area, moving back and forth as needed across all the surfaces. So you walk it right along the cracks, move it back and forth, concentrated in areas where it's needed the most, and you can see it get right down into that joint and get all that black stuff right out of there. And would you look at that, holy smokes, it's already coming clean. I mean, good night, look at that. Judas Priest, that was dirty. Cripes. It's doing a good job, this Ryobi power scrubber. It's really getting in there. Look at that. It's so much better already. And you can see the tiles cleaning up too. Man, that's a lot of dirt that comes up. Wowzers. This tool does a really nice job. Jeepers. And after the scrubbing is clean, take a rag, get the majority of the liquid soap solution soaked up, and just go ahead and do that to the whole work area. Then we'll finish it off with a paper towel, drying up all the spots and getting it looking as best as possible. But to finish, I use a grout sealer, this one in particular. And it's got a nice applicator tip that you can drag right across each joint. And definitely put on enough. Make sure that you're not skimping out here. This is what's going to seep down into the grout and protect all the cleanup work you just did. Put this on after it's had a chance to dry out a little bit, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and you'll have a lot better adhesion. Doing this once a year is what's recommended. The full clean and protect cycle. Get it everywhere around the work area, and if you have a little bit extra, you can put it onto the joints you've already done or spots you've already cleaned. It won't hurt to have just a little bit extra protection. And that's it. This is the finished product. You can see it's just shiny. Every tile the same color as that of the grout, and the sealant will soak in and dry up. Those joints will be perfect, just like the other one. Thanks, Ryobi, for another great tool, and thank you for watching.